So how do I buy gold online? Believe it or not, buying gold online is very simple. There are basically 4 types of gold buying, and each depends on what sort of gold you would like and why. The purchase options include gold coins, gold bars to take home, gold bullion or bars held in escrow, and gold in the form of exchange-traded funds. Some examples of established and popular gold refineries include PAMP, a gold metals refinery based at Castel San Pietro in Switzerland. Johnson Matthey, a refinery that has been established for many years and is considered one of the leading producers of gold bullion. AGR Matthey in Australia, and Midwest Refineries in the U.S. Gold bullion, or bars held in escrow, is a little risky in that you do not actually possess the gold, although you own the rights to it as expressed in an account holding. Buying gold to be discreetly delivered to your home is a very simple process. First, one opens a free account at GMRGold.com. Second, you will review some incredible literature and videos to educate yourself to the point you have a short list of desired items. Third, you have 2 choices at this stage. Choice 1, add the products to your cart and check out. Or 2, call or email us and we will go over the products you picked. We may from time to time suggest other items for your consideration, often depending on what is hot in the market at the time, or additional products that complement your choices. It's truly as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remember, take care of your money, and your money will take care of you. Call or email us today if we can help. We stand ready to serve you.